All right, so you kind of have to go back and forth until you get it secured, and so you have to kind of, force it, and eventually it'll fall into place after after you play around with it some. But be careful. You don't really want to bend the metal, because in some cases it's hard to bend it back. You want to be kind of gentle with it. But I mean, this process can take some time, so but we're not in a hurry. Looks like that needs to come this way. There we go. And then, all right. I may want to cut a little bit here with my Sawzall. Make it easier, or I could just keep playing around with it, but it might take less time if I just kind of get my saw and maybe just make it a little bit wider here, and it'll fall into place. So sometimes you gotta do that. So what we'll do is I'll grab this flap here and a pencil.